Hey y'all, here's another video of some of the hurricane damage and some of the docks that we built with through flow decking and also wood decking that survived Hurricane Sally. We're really proud of the work that we do and all the effort my crew and all the team put into the design of the type of docks that we build. It seems like they really hold up very well. Just take a look at the video here and you'll see we're working over here on another project, doing another big retainer wall, and we were in the middle of this while the hurricane hit, and the old retainer walls were here failed and started losing dirt real quick. He's got big 10-foot cavities behind the wall, but I'll get a video posted on this project just as soon as we get it wrapped up. If y'all hadn't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thanks. We're moving our barges here out of harm's way with the approach of Hurricane Sally. You can see we were right on the eastern quadrant of this storm, and it was quite horrendous. A lot of flooding, a lot of damage to the shoreline. These are some of the pictures that my customer sent me of their docks as a hurricane was in the area. This is a through flow dock that we built. You see all the trash from the docks, the neighboring docks laying on top of it. This dock actually turned out really good. You can see all the docks on either side are completely destroyed.
Dale, this is Tom. This is the day after Sally. Everything you did on my dock on the bay held up. Just amazing. We took some damage to the wall, and we're gonna need some work on that, but she held that onslaught. And if you look at everything to the west, you look at Margaritas and others beyond, it's nothing but remnant pilings. And then if we look over on the Switzer side, now everything beyond them is gone except pilings. Theirs are horribly destroyed and gone now. Of course, they do have a Skanska barge on the beach, but then the ones right next door all completely demolished. The only thing that we lost control of was the platform, and we lost a little bit of that, but we had 8 to 10 foot braking here in 105 mile an hour winds, and all of this held up. So I think this may even impress the job that you know you can do. Dale, absolutely amazing, my friend. Thank you.
This is Shoreline Park boat ramps and Gulf Breeze. You can see that it took some damage. We're going to take all the damaged sections off and just leave the docks there until we can get some new ones built. They're going to get them opened up for the fire department and police department. This is Graffiti Bridge here, train trestle in Pensacola, Florida. You can see there's a lot of flooding there. There's also another barge that washed up from the Skanska Bridge Building Company on the parking lot. This is another 425-foot through flow pier that made it undamaged. This pier sustained some damage due to the stringers not being through bolted to the pilings. Looks like the framing and all stayed in place except for where it was not bolted, just ripped off the pilings and floated away. This is a Woodlawn Beach boat ramp dock that we just completed a month or so back. There was a lot of rumors on Facebook that it was completely gone. It actually was underwater. It looks fine to me.
Not Dale's. Then there's a Dale's dock, and boathouse is good. Definitely not a Dale's dock. This one's all good. And another Dale's dock right there. All good. The only 3 that are good over here.
As you drive down the shoreline road, you can see there's piles and piles of trash that are piled up alongside the road for the sanitation department to collect. Piers, pieces of people's houses. Here's a seawall here that wasn't installed deep enough, and it was just ripped right out of the ground. That seawall he had in there took all that seawall out, all the dirt.
Every other dock. Wow.
Hey, if y'all want to see some more of these hurricane destruction videos and the survival stories, please let me know. If y'all would, keep the people in prayer that have lost a lot of stuff, and if you would, subscribe and hit the notification bell.